company, suppose the first company is DAT company, suppose if it is coming, please change it to USMF company. Change it to USMF company. You need to change it to USMF company. So for practicing purpose, try to use USMF company. On the left side, there are 3 dashes is there. In this, these are the modules. These are the modules. So first one is accounts receivable module. Accounts receivable module, collapse all, invoices, all fixed invoices. All fixed invoices. It is opening. Click on new button. Click on new button. Select the customer account from which customer you are planning to purchase material. I mean to say you are selling material to the customers. That customer you need to select. In your demo data, you will find DE001 to US001, US002 all. You can select any customer, no issues. I'm selecting the customer US001. In your demo data, if it is installed in your laptop, it is US001 only will be available. You can select the customer US001 and US002, all these things. 1001, 1002 I have created manually. That is the reason it will not show in your lab systems, temporary systems. Okay, so you can select any customer, no issues. From the drop down, whatever you want you can select. Now it was updated like date. Actually in India it is 7th March, but this laptop or this system is configured USA. Now USA time zone is Sunday evening at 6:50. That is the reason it is coming 6th March, but it is 7th. Based on the time zone, it will come automatically. And the due date, there is a function, terms of payment. I need to explain you. I need to explain you method of payment. All these things I will explain you later. You are going to learn all these things: terms of payment, methods of payment, currency where you need to map, what is the due date, everything you will understand slowly. So you have selected customer. Then you need to select revenue account. Revenue account, it is 4 series. 4 series I'm selecting. Click tab. So for time being I'm removing taxes. You can enter some amount. Okay, 500 I have entered. Now click on post button. Click on post button. So posting button is enabled. Posting button is enabled. Print checkbox I have not enabled. If you enable, it will show you the pop-up. It will show you the printout form. So we'll discuss this one later. I'm clicking on OK. Once it is posted, you can click on related information area page. This is called related information area page. Invoice tab, related information area page, invoice journal button, invoice journal button. Invoice journal button. You can click on voucher. It is empty. It is not showing any voucher. Look at the details. It is blank. So the reason behind this, in real-time scenario, it will not be. It will take maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds. The voucher will be updated. But in my system, to improve performance, because this server, my laptop is only 16 GB RAM, so performance will be very slow. That is the reason I have disabled this batch job. this batch job. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Unified Operations Batch Management Server I have disabled. In real-time scenario, you cannot do this one. This is under control from Microsoft, or your technical people will have this control. Okay, it will be continuously running in real-time scenario. This will be running, but to improve my performance, I mean to say application will be slow in this one because it is only 16 GB RAM. In general, servers means 64 GB RAM or 128 GB RAM. Am I right? Big servers. But we are working in practicing purpose. In our laptop, it was configured. So to improve performance, I have disabled this one. Because I have disabled this one, so it is not posting, but it will be posted. It will be available here. General ledger, collapse all, periodic tasks, subledger journal entries not yet transferred. It will be lying here, free text invoice. Let me do a transfer now. But in real-time scenario, this is not required for you. It will be transferred automatically. The batch job will execute and it will be transferred. Now, if you verify, it was posted now. The voucher is posted. Here, customer account data to revenue account credit. That's what it is posted. Customer account data to revenue account credit. Now, one of our friend question is, what is the purpose of this one? This is without any items. This is if you are doing trading item. What do you mean by this one? What is the difference between these two? What is the purpose of free text invoice? Suppose you are running your business, example like purifier, water purifier. Yes, please.
Service items.
Yeah, exactly, service items. Okay, suppose you are doing service, water purifier service. So you went to one customer and you have did some service, you are cleaning or something you are doing. For that you are giving invoice copy. Then it can be used, free text invoice. Without any item, you are providing some service to the customer, then you can use free text invoice. And not only this one more option. Whenever you are selling fixed asset, at that time also I can use this one. That you will understand later. You are selling fixed asset, you can use free text invoice. This is second utilization of the free text invoice. Now primary it is, if you are providing services to the customer, we need to raise an invoice and we need to submit to the customer invoice. That is free text invoice will be used. Is it clear? I think earlier one of our colleague is asking, is it clear?
Yeah, so if we are giving just the service, means then you use the free text invoice.
Exactly, you're right. Exactly, you're right.
Hi,
so in this, yes, please.
Yeah. Can you please describe how we can use like fixed asset for pre-text invoice, because something we are using tangible to sell something, right?
So yes. So if it is a free text invoice, you will understand this one later, not now, but I will show you where it is available. Where it is available, I will show you, but I will teach you this one later. So here we can select free text invoice. Sorry, fixed asset.
Okay, got it.
This is in future you are going to learn. After 1.5 months or 2 months, you are going to learn this topic.
Okay.
Not clear to everyone? Any questions in this area? Anyone? Free text invoice.
Satya, quick question. What would be the difference between fixed asset and trading item?
So this fixed asset is completely different, because if it is a laptop is there in your laptop, this laptop is using by your accounts department, then it is a fixed asset. Am I right?
Okay, I was just trying to understand what fixed asset actually is. Like, I've heard this term for the first time.
it is a big subject, one of the module you need to learn actually. So here one of the module is so one of the module you need to understand what is this fixed assets means. You have building, you have furniture, you have laptops, you have mobiles. So these all are not expenses at a time. Machinery, suppose if you have a machinery, every year you need to do a depreciation. So this is a separate module. I will discuss with you in detail, most probably after 2 months, 1.5 months or 2 months. You are going to learn in depth about fixed asset module. This is one of the topic you need to, it will be covered. So if you go here, fixed asset is a one module. In detail, we'll discuss.
Sure.
In
Thank you.
this short span of time, I cannot explain you what is this meaning. Definitely we'll discuss a lot about this fixed asset. Almost 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. 4 to 5 days we need to discuss. Fine. Any more questions, please? About this free text invoice. Free text invoice means customer invoice. It is customer account data to revenue account credit. Customer account data to revenue account credit. System will take care about this one, debits and credits. Whereas vendor invoice, we are posting journal. Vendor invoice last Friday I have explained. Invoice journal. Actually, vendor invoices like customer invoices are two different ways. Whereas one is free text invoice and another one is sales order invoice. These are the two options only. Sales order invoice you will understand later. If it is a vendor invoice, 5 different ways are there. One is invoice journal. One is invoice journal. Second one is purchase order to vendor invoice. Third option is pending vendor invoice. Fourth option is invoice register and approval journal. And fifth one is invoice register and pool. Invoice pool journal. Okay, these are the 5 different ways we can do it. What is the purpose? Slowly we'll understand one by one. So today, last Friday, we have learned about invoice journal. Quickly I will show you and I will proceed with vendor payment and customer payment. Okay, let me proceed with this. Let me show you once again this invoice journal, how to post it. Purchase expenses account data to vendor account credit. Let me show you this one. Accounts payable module. Accounts payable module, collapse all. Invoices. Invoice journal. Invoice journal. So click on new button. Click on new button. Select the journal name. Select the journal name. So this journal name, how to create, you will understand. This is your task. If you click here, after 1 month or 1.5 months, you are going to learn how to create journal name. So these journal names, how to create. There are so many journal names. How to create, you need to understand. This is one of your task. Okay, you will understand this one later. You will understand all this one later. Now from the drop down, you have selected journal name. Click on lines button, or you can click on this number. Either one is fine. Okay, date is coming automatically. From where it is coming, you will understand later. The voucher number is coming from somewhere else. You will understand this one later. Select the vendor name. Vendor. Select the vendor. I'm just entering vendor. Now you have received invoice copy, because if it is